Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Darkroom and importing your high-resolution image. This keeps detail for edits. Once imported, you should enable the grid and histogram so you can judge alignment and exposure precisely. Make a duplicate layer or copy immediately to preserve the original. This gives you a safe edit track. While you work, check the histogram after each major change. It shows clipping. Now start with basic exposure and white balance adjustments to build a neutral baseline. Next, you refine tone and color by handling exposure, highlights, and shadows. Adjust each until the histogram looks balanced without clipping. Once done, use curves to craft contrast and targeted selective color controls to correct skin tones or skies. Subtle changes preserve realism. Make targeted local adjustments with masks for problem areas, and then apply noise reduction followed by selective sharpening. Make sure to preview at full zoom to confirm detail. Small settings can make a big visual difference. To finish, check your composition and crop to the target aspect ratio, then flatten layers only if you're ready to export. Export using the right format and quality. Choose sRGB JPEG for online use or TIFF for print, while keeping file size and color profile in mind. If colors or exposure shift after export, reopen the duplicate copy and recheck white balance and histogram. Minor shifts often come from profile mismatch. If things go wrong, revert to your copy and iterate with smaller adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.